Nako, grabe. Tonight, makikilala ho natin ang ating top 5 rising stars through their songs and their stories, Nico.
Kanina, napakinggan na natin sina Cresia and Remy. Ngayon naman, mapunta naman tayo sa isang rising star na talaga namang nagpa-excite sa atin dahil nagpaalam na siya. Pero dahil sa Challenge the Star, nakabalik siya ulit.
Nako, gaya ho ng looks niya at personality niya, napaka-colorful din po ng kanyang buhay. Ito po ang Miss Perfect ng Cebu, ang half Pinay, half American, na si Victoria Ingram.
Hi, I'm Victoria Leslie Ingram, pinanganak sa New Jersey. My dad is Black American and my mom is Cebuana. Noong 3 years old ako, my mom had breast cancer, kaya napilitan kaming umuwi sa Cebu. At noon, iniwan na kami ng tatay namin at hindi na namin siya nakita. Nung 4 years old ako, pumanaw na po yung nanay ko. And habang lumalaki ako, I discovered my past and syempre masakit talaga sa akin. Habang lumalaki rin ako, nakita ko yung tunay na color ko, the way I look, na iba ako sa mga kalaro ko. Syempre, tinutukso nila ako, sinasabi nila na negra daw ako. Syempre, masakit sa akin, pero sinasabi ko na lang, o kayo, nakakita na kayo ng snow. O hindi pa. Pero despite sa lahat ng yon, laking pasalamat ko talaga dahil nandito na ako sa Rising Stars Philippines. And ang dating tinutukso nyo na negra ay nandito na talaga. And the way I look, my personality, who I am, I'm using this to my great advantage. I'm gonna go out there, chase my dreams, and do things on my own.
So long ago, I'm stronger now. I've learned from my mistakes which way to go, and I should know. Put myself aside to do things your way, but now I need to do it all alone. And I am not afraid to try it all on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel, no matter what. I'm gonna keep it real. Time for me to do it. I start again, go back to one. I'm running things in my way. It's not me now, I've just begun. Don't even think about it, there ain't no way about it. I'm taking names, the world is mine. Yes, I'm gonna take my turn. It's time for me to finally stand alone. Stand alone. It all I own, and I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel, no matter what. I'm gonna keep it real. Time for me to do it on my own.
Victoria Ingram! Victoria Ingram! Victoria Ingram. Wow. Bago ko mag-comment, si Miss Jaya muna.
Wow. You know, it's so hard when we listen to your stories kasi ang bigat nung ibang storya and I commend you for singing that after hearing what I heard. Pag ako yun, nag-breakdown na naman ako. Although, you know, alam kong carry mo na. That's why I saw your strength. All of a sudden, parang hindi yun nangyari sa'yo. So I like the fact that when you go on stage, ano ka na, yung confident ka that you're going to do your job. But I think we were sitting here talking, parang, kasi hindi ko siya nakita nung coach day.
Yeah.
Medyo may nerves, medyo malakas yung kaba niya, nararamdaman ko yon. And I think you have to really fight through that. Kasi I didn't hear that the last time. Sobrang confident naman niya nung last. But this time, I liked your performance. Don't get me wrong. It's just that work on your nerves. Parang i-hold mo ng mas maano yun. Ilayo mo sa'yo. Kasi masisira ka talaga pag yung ipangungunahan mo ng nervyos. But otherwise, it's okay with me. Yun lang. Ikaw, Papa Ja, anything you wanna add?
Well, Victoria, isa sa mga turning point ng competition na to nang bumalik ka. Kasi you're one of my favorites. It's just that tonight, hindi ka naniwala sa pinaniniwalaan namin. Because we believe you're good. But tonight, hindi namin nakitang ikaw naniniwala. But you're good. Kaya lang tonight, hindi namin naramdaman. You were struggling. But you're good. So, sana believe what we believe about you.
Wow. Okay, you were struggling. Alam mo, if I may defend her, no? I naramdaman ko rin yung kaba niya pero I guess kasi tonight is the song of your life. And when you sing that, kung hindi ka kabahan, hindi ka tao. You know, but you know, total nag-comment na sila sa kinabahan ka, you know, hindi ka masyado nag-deliver. I just have to say, you're a star. You're a star. You know? I watch you and I'm mesmerized. You're beautiful. You stand so wonderfully. You're a star. And that's it. Yes.
If I may add,
Yeah.
nakaka-relate ako dyan. May dugo kami. May dugo
Yeah.
kaming itim. So medyo mahirap growing up having that. But use it to your advantage. Nothing happens here, man, you can be a model. Nothing happens here, you can go join somewhere else because you have to take consideration na yung look mo and your voice is really unique. Iba
Yeah.
talaga yon. So that will really carry you through anything. All the adversities, yan ang pambato mo, Day.
All right. Very honest na mga judges natin, ano? And Venus is with Victoria's dad.
Yes.
Venus.
Kuya Ogie, kasama ko si Daddy Boy. Kumusta po kayo? Ano pong mensahe po ninyo para sa anak ninyo?
Tori, ituloy mo lang ang pangarap mo na magiging singer. Nagiging Miss Beauty Queen ka na sa Miss Teen Philippines last year. Ituloy mo na yan. Yun lang. Nandito lang kami, nagsuporta sa iyo, kami pamilya mo. Thank you.
Thank
Cute
you,
ng daddy
Daddy.
mo.
Kuya Ogie?
Maraming salamat. All right. For Victoria Ingram, just text RS VOTE, Vic, and send to 2948. Up next, the pretty Lian Layuma sa pagbabalik ng Rising Stars, Philippines!